Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Discord theme for free in just a few simple steps. Click the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left of the screen to open the Settings modal. Click Appearance in the left sidebar, and the Appearance Settings page loads showing your theme options. Click the Light Theme box and the entire Discord interface switches from dark to light theme instantly. Once you're happy with your choice, click the X button at the top right to close settings, and your new theme applies across the whole app. Discord gives you 3 free themes to choose from: Dark, Light, and Midnight, which is the darkest option. You can switch between them as often as you like without needing Nitro or any paid plan. If you want to change it again later, just head back into User Settings and pick a different one from the Appearance page. You can also adjust your message display to cozy or compact in that same section to change how much space each message takes up. And that's how to change your Discord theme for free. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.